In this video, we address a sticking pull start. The removal and replacement steps of a new pull start cord are the same, so this video will work for that too. We may as well check the oil level while we are down here too. Start by removing the plastic cover. This model has 2 Phillips head screws. Move to one side. Remove the retaining screws and bolts from the pull start itself. Move the gas tank to one side. Now remove the bolts that secure the pull start to the engine. When the cord is pulled to taps, should fly out to engage the engine to spin the starter. As you can see, these are sticking. This one is sticking when being pulled, so not engaging to spin the starter. For this we will spray some WD-40 and see how that works. This seems to have done the job. To reinstall, simply reverse the steps. Put the pull start body back on top of the engine and secure down. Slide the gas tank back in place, secure the plastic cover and give it a pull. You can follow these steps for a full replacement too. If you got value from my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.